welcome back to my channel. My name is Carla. I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm telling you it's worth it. This video is going to be worth it. This is only a chunk of what I bought for the fall season. There is more to come, but this is just a few items I have bought for, I guess, the early fall, late summer. Some of these items, they've been on my wish list for some time now, and some are fairly new, but definitely wanted to get my hands on all of these items. So if you do want to see what I got, then just stay tuned. So jump right into the video. My first item I'm going to share is this Bottega Veneta jacket. It's from the fall winter 2019 runway collection, and let me tell you, when I first saw this, I think I might have saw this for the first time 2 years ago on someone on Instagram. Not this particular style. The other person had on the style was more it's actually just vertical embossing going down the center. This, as you can see, has a swirl, and even the zip is actually curved as well. That person, her biker jacket was very similar, but it had more of a V cut, and I have not seen this jacket on anyone. I swear, I think I've only seen it on 2 people. It's so rare, and I'm wondering if it's because this collection was dropped before COVID hit. I don't know if that affected production or sales. I'm not sure, but I have not seen anyone. When I tell you it's super rare, yeah, I have seen them on sale on different secondhand websites, but as far as like people wearing them, I have not seen anyone wearing it. And I feel like it's been like a recent resurgence of this style. Especially I've seen different fashion accounts on Instagram feature the men's version of this, and I was ecstatic to get my hands on this. And it's not cheap. Even for the resale price, it wasn't cheap, but it was way more affordable than the retail price. So I did pick this up from the Real, and they never stated if it was brand new, but I'm assuming that it is brand new because literally there's still like plastic on the zippers, which is a major score. And on the site it said that this was a size small. I had gotten this in this. So when I got it in person, I see that it's a 38, I think Italian sizing, because Bottega is Italian sizing, and I was kind of unsure if it was going to fit me because I do tend to wear medium when it comes to my outerwear, but I was really surprised to see that this fit well. Now I did see that Rosie, what's her name? Rosie Huntington Whitley, Rosie HW, as you know, on Instagram. She wore this for her cover on the Bazaar magazine, and on her it was pretty fitted. So when I tried it on, I was like, oh my gosh, this is kind of fitted. And I mean, I do prefer my outerwear to be a little loose, but seeing how it fitted her, I just, you know, assumed that it's made for a more slim fit, and I felt a little bit more relieved about that. So this is a dark brown color. I would prefer it to be in black, to be honest. My first choice was the other style, which was the vertical embossing, but actually I think I much prefer this because this is a bit more unique, because I've seen 2 other people with that style, and I have not seen any woman wearing this style. I've seen maybe 2 people, Offset the rapper, and some, what's his name, Justin Reed on Instagram, on his account, trying this on. So this particular style, so this is pretty rare, and I'm really glad that I did score this. I'm really happy about that. So my next item that I purchased off my wish list, these boots, I've been wanting them for years. Like, I would occasionally see them on social media websites, and you know, over the years, I guess, like, because they're no longer trendy, I would not see them too often, but I just, you know, always kept it at the back of my mind. And I came across these boots maybe once or twice, and then the second time when I did see them in my size, I had to get them. Like I was like, no, I can't lose these again. Like I have to. Like for some reason, I feel like my size is it's a highly desired or a highly worn size, so I just had to get it. But anyways, I got the GIVENCHY NUNKA boots, and oh my god, this is me in a boot. Like this is me. Like I leather over the knee, like just the lacing cut out, and then like I don't even know what you would call this heel, a semi wedge. I don't know, stiletto heel, another runway piece. I think this is from, oh gosh, what year is it from? But it's a couple years old. I was really happy to get these as well. I did get this from Vestiaire Collective. The person that was selling it, I think I had reached out to her. I don't know if it was, I was negotiating a price, and she messaged me and she told me that somebody wanted to purchase it and she was holding it, and I was like, okay, let me know. Like she gave me like a day, I think later in the week, when the person was supposed to get back to her about purchasing these. And like I didn't want to be a pest, but I'm like, girl, like you don't want them that bad if you have to wait that long. But I get it, you know, people are watching their pockets, but all I know is that these had to come home with me. Like I was not gonna let it fly again. But this is going to be such a versatile piece in the fall, like wear with shorts, with skirts. I do even see myself wearing this with like Bermuda shorts, like to kind of meet the thigh high length. That's going to be a vibe too. Even like a maxi dress as well, like a slinky maxi dress with these underneath. Oh, it's going to be a vibe. Oh my gosh. And then pairing this with the Bottega leather jacket. Even though the jacket is brown and this is black, you know, you have the little brown insole there, a little peekaboo. I'm gonna wear it regardless together. Like, it's gonna be, forget like a hot girl summer, it's gonna be a hot girl fall. Definitely. Okay, moving on to the next item, which is another pair of shoes. And this is one of the newer items on my wish list, but it was still a need. Need I say less? But anyways, this is more of a summer, early fall wear. And I got the FERRAGAMO. I don't know, I forgot what the name of the style is, but it's obviously the FERRAGAMO style with the logo heel. And I wore these already. I actually wore these to the Every Stylish Girl event here in New York back in the summer, Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, and these, oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I don't know what's going on with me. I have become a red girl, and it's not stopping there. Like I had gotten a pair of red Dries Van Noten boots in the winter, and then I got these, and I think I'm gonna pick up another pair of red heels, to be determined. I don't know yet, but yeah, I wore this actually with a white Zara cutout dress, super cute. And I actually do plan on wearing these with like some dark or medium blue wash jeans. Actually, I'm going to style this with the Bottega. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get so much wear out of that Bottega leather jacket. Like, I really am. I'm getting my cost per wear. I don't care. But see, even the red complements that color. And I can definitely see myself wearing this with like purple, navy dress. It's endless. Like I love that I can play around with colors, and I'm really getting a lot of wear out of my items, like without being scared to wear colors together. And it's just all about, you know, just pairing colors that complement each other. But yes, this is so cute. One thing I will say about these is that I kind of wish it was leather, because the suede I already know is going to be, I wore this once and I can already see some like rubbed out areas on this, and I don't know how, but I got like a little dirt stain. I think it was when I was like walking in these New York City streets, I got like a little dirt spot right here. So this is definitely something that has to be worn straight from the car to indoors, wherever you're at, restaurant. This is definitely a cute shoe. It is comfortable. Don't get me wrong. These are really comfortable. I was able to walk and, you know, gallivant and do what I was doing. But as far as wear and longevity, I don't really see this lasting long because of the suede. It's unfortunate, but I do hope that they do release this in a leather version. That would definitely be a seller for sure. And I did get this in my usual size, which is no, actually I didn't. I got this in a 9.5 or a 39.5, and I did get my Givenchy boots in a size 40. I did not mention that, but I did get those boots in a 40 as well. But they still fit me about the same as a 40. So I would say that you can get away with a half size smaller or your actual size. So just something to keep in mind. But yeah, this is definitely gonna be a cutie during the fall season. So the last item that I had picked up are actually these BOTTEGA VENETA dupes that I had gotten from Amazon, where everybody has gotten their dupes from. And I am fairly impressed by them. Like, I really am. I'm considering getting them in the larger size and even in silver. I'm not a big silver girl, but I think they're worth it. I think that especially for like what, $20 to $40, like you can't beat that compared to the actual Bottega Veneta price. But yeah, these definitely give like high class, classy. It really does. It's just something about this style that it kind of screams sophistication. Like, nothing's wrong with a pair of studs. That's usually my go-to, is a pair of studs, but I definitely have been getting more into bold, chunky jewelry. That's something that I actually want to start playing around with, because I need to add details to my outfits. I need like oomph, you know, and I'm not a big dresser in the summer, which is why I have been MIA. I don't want to completely blame summer, but I just don't really get inspired by summer clothing, because it's just like there's very little that you could do. Like, you can't, it's just usually like one layer, you know, and you gotta make it work. So I've been really drawn to chunkier jewelry, statement jewelry that stand out. The more glitter, the more glamour, like, I'm with it. So this is definitely like an introduction to more bigger, chunkier jewelry. I have actually been really you know, admiring the brand Dylan Lex. I think that's how you pronounce it. Not the prices though, but the styling. It's pretty out there, bohemian, tribal. I've been really into that lately, so I think I'm going to start exploring accessories a little bit more. Like I said, to start adding more details to my outfits. Like, I need it. I'm lacking that. You know, when I put on an outfit and it's just like something's missing, and I think jewelry will definitely take it up a notch. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna start exploring more styles for sure. Yeah, so that was just a quick preview of what I have purchased so far for the late summer slash fall, early fall season, and there is more to come. I'm just being very intentional with my wardrobe. Like I said, I did a very big purge, and I am starting to really settle into my own personal style. Like, I know what I gravitate towards more. I know what I feel comfortable in. I know what I look good in, and I think I want to start expanding on those styles a little bit more. So this is going to be a new journey for me. I welcome you to join me on this journey on purchasing more items that suit my style now. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, bye.